Looking for a reliable hair clipper that gives you professional quality results right at home? The Wahl Clip-N-Trim all-in-one grooming kit delivers exactly that. A powerful, versatile tool designed to handle every detail of your haircut with ease. Whether you want a close fade, a smooth blend, or a sharp neckline, this clipper and trimmer combo makes it simple and efficient. What sets the Clip-N-Trim apart is its built-in detailer feature. With a quick flip of the black housing on the front lid, you can transform the clipper into a precision trimmer. This switch lets you clean up sideburns, necklines, and ears without changing devices or losing momentum. It's the kind of convenience that saves time and keeps your grooming sharp and polished. Under the hood, the Wahl PowerDrive heavy-duty motor powers through even the thickest hair with 35% more cutting force than standard electromagnetic motors. That means no more frustrating snags or pulls, just smooth, consistent cuts every time. Plus, the self-sharpening precision ground blades stay sharp longer, maintaining clean lines and a professional finish over countless uses. The kit includes 12 smooth cut attachment guards, ranging from 1/16 to 1, allowing you to customize your cut with precision. These guards glide effortlessly through thick hair, preventing pulling and ensuring a comfortable grooming experience. Whether you're blending, fading, or trimming, you'll find the right length every time. Wahl's reputation speaks volumes. They've been trusted by barbers and stylists since 1919. This clipper's durable build and reliable performance make it a smart investment for anyone serious about their grooming routine. It's not just a tool, it's a grooming system designed to deliver professional results at home. If you're ready to take control of your haircut and enjoy the confidence that comes with a clean, sharp look, the Wahl Clip-N-Trim is worth a look. It comes complete with a full set of guide combs, haircutting accessories, step-by-step instructions, and a convenient storage case with a handle for easy transport and organization. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your grooming game. Whether you're cutting your own hair or maintaining a neat style, this kit offers what you get: power, precision, and lasting durability. For anyone who values quality and convenience, the Wahl Clip-N-Trim is a dependable choice that changes how you approach home haircuts.